Ka sorkar jela kala shimya karai ban Bhah sa iwe pensau akar ka jaka nakabenta ban pynkynriah ya ki laispa sau po artli ki longging Harijan na Them Iew Mawlong kata da ka bapen pauru ka jing skos kham ban la ban weng no ya ka ni ka jing kat hadu ka tayo ka ba arjo benai kelaling kot arhajar arpusau ya kan ni karai lapan bena hadin ka jingalang bala khot penlong do sembut menteri rangba ka jela uba khmi ya ka kampo yeng uba presiden tensong bat usembut menteri rangba uba khmi ya ka tanat urban affairs uba sniaw bahalang dhar bat hinomi khman na ka Harijan panchayat committee bala senran ru dakid khot jong ka Delhi gurudwara ha ka nyo tarik no pra hasketrian habakren syakilat pathai khubor uba tensong ulaong bakane ka jingalang kalalong ka baya ibe ya erenti bat seiso henry hashua bangi penkot la ailat sa shisin yaki bakin ya mir jimut lang hapdeng jongki hadin bakila dep banle ya kane ngin penbe ya kapor halane shua katayo ka baar jong benai kalalingkot uban wan ha ka bangin ya kenduk biang sa shisin ban shim ya karai ka bakhaddu ha ka baya dei bat kane ka benta ulaong uba preston Namarba ka HPC kalapan pau ya ka jinsokya halor ki katto kat neki mat ya ki baki dei ban yakran hapdeng jongki kumtaru ngila ailat ya ki da ka bakenturu bakin pendap no halane shua katayo baar jong brai kalalingkot shua bangin ya kenduk biang ong shishu uba preston haba jubab ya ka jingkeli uba tensong ula ong ru ka blueprint bala pentemai ka longkum ni ka office ka baladan lupa jong ka municipal board ngidon kumba arpon iwe saw akar ka jaka henry namar kampat biang na kabenta baro ki laispa saw pa artli ki longyeng kumta ngila Bhah biang ka jaka ka balong sa kumba iwe pon saw akar.
We had a meeting with the members of the HPC once again and even the representative from Delhi Gurdwara. They accompanied them. So we had a very positive meeting, no doubt about it. However, towards the end, we have again given them one more round of their discussion among themselves. And once that is done, we already fixed again the timeline that on or before the second week of January, we will meet one more time. One more time we will meet and finalize everything. So since they expressed their concern about again some more issues to be discussed among themselves, so we allowed them and we said please do that, but on or before second week of January we will have to meet again, because by that time even the court holiday is again reopened. Meeting today is very positive. Let me just tell you one thing, it is very positive, no doubt about it, but few more issues are there which is not at all appropriate for me to detail everything, because we allow them, we request them, okay, you please sit down again, because we really wanted to make sure that the decision taken should be unanimous, should be for everybody, be it from the government side and be it from their side too. So I'm so happy the senior leader from Delhi Gurdwara, he was also here. He came along from Delhi. You knew that they are really serious to resolve this issue amicably between them and the government. Because they have requested us, please give at least few more weeks for further discussion, consultation among themselves. Then we said, yes, we are happy to do that. Please, because once you take a decision, means it is final. So we allow them again, and now they will go back and have their consultation, and once that is done, they'll come back on or before second week of January for finalization of this issue. Blueprint is like this. The existing quarters, existing office of municipal board, we have about 2.05 acres or something, 2.14, and the additional land, because it is not enough to accommodate all the 342 families. So ultimately, we considered one more additional plot, which is about 1.4 acres area. So we have shown them, and for more or less, as I said to you, things is now in line for the final discussion. Ke jaka kalong kami, katu ke existing, kabadon menta kadon kumba ar ekar point 14. Mo, te kabamenta just opposite to the na iya katu ke existing, sakaway pa kasurok, saka persyak surok de. Kadon sakaway kabashi ekar saupa 1.4 ekar. Tingi at ya kata kalong kumba around 3.6, 3.5, 3.6 acres. Namar babling ngong pi pila su thu ba kidon lies pa sao poway families. Lies pa sao po are families, but ni haban le ru kini ki high rise building te ngiyok ngilap ba kampadap kadang rit kejakan kadang ni aisu dia kejaka sa 1.4 acres. Namang ikwa kumong pingal ada pongteng ba kejing kwa jong ni government habang iong relocation habang iong shifting kan long be complete na dok